Welcome to Java Forum. Now I'm going to show you how to build Apache Tomcat 9 source code using Jenkins CI/CD integration tool. So we are going to using Ant 1.2, 1.10, and without source code repository, we are going to build the project. So now I'm opening the source code directory. So here you can see that I already downloaded Apache Tomcat 9 source code as a zip file. So I have provided the download link to the source code zip file in the description of the video. So now I have logged into the Jenkins. Now I am going to create one new project. Before creating a project, let me show you the global tool configuration. So here you can see that I have already integrated Apache Ant 1.10 to the Jenkins, and also integrated JDK 11 and JDK 17 to the Jenkins. So these are my global tool configuration to build this Apache Tomcat 9 source code project. Okay, now I am going to create a new item. So I am going to select freestyle project. Okay, so I am giving some name to the freestyle project. So I'm giving some name to the freestyle project. Now click the OK button. That's it. So new freestyle project is created. Now let us configure the freestyle project now. So JDK, I'm selecting JDK 11. So source code management, I am selecting none because I am going to build the source code from the directory. Okay, from the local folder, I am going to build the project. And build environment, I am selecting with Ant. So with Ant only, I am going to build this project. So I'm selecting the Ant version and JDK 11 as a JDK for this, and build steps. So build step, I'm adding invoke Ant, and Ant version I'm selecting Ant 1.10. That's it. So apply and save it. So freestyle project I have configured for Apache Tomcat 9. Now I am going to click the link build now. So what will happen, this will create one new folder under the workspace. So separate folder under workspace. So let me show the console output. See here, one new folder is created. Okay, so I'm copying this path. I'm copying this path. Now let me go to the source code directory. Now I'm going to extract this Apache Tomcat 9 source code to this workspace folder which I created now through Jenkins. Okay, see here, one new workspace folder created. So under that I extracted the Apache Tomcat 9 source code. So make sure that it contains build.xml. Okay, otherwise project will not work. So this build.xml is a basic block for building the Ant project. Now let us click the build now once again. So now what will happen? Jenkins will automatically pick up the build.xml under the folder and will start building the source code inside the directory, which means it will start building the source code inside the local folder. No need to check out from Git or SCM. It automatically pick up the source code from the local folder. Only thing is the build.xml should be visible to the Jenkins. That's it.